I just got a great question from Lisa in Grafton, Wisconsin. She's wondering whether it's better to replace her iPhone's battery or just get a new iPhone. Well, Lisa, we got you covered. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and you can follow me at cyberguy.com for a lot of tips like this. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter. Let's dive right in and find out how you can tell if your iPhone battery needs replacing. Checking your iPhone's battery health is a piece of cake. Go to your Settings app, scroll down and select Battery. Tap on Battery Health and Charging. Look for the maximum capacity percentage. If it's lower than 80%, it's time to replace that battery. Now that we know how to check the battery, let's explore whether it's better to replace it or simply get a new phone. Deciding between replacing your iPhone's battery or getting a new phone depends on a few factors. If your iPhone is only a few years old and you're happy with its current features, then replacing the battery is probably the more affordable option. Apple charges a service fee for battery replacement, but if you have Apple Care Plus and your battery holds less than 80% of its original capacity, you can get it replaced at no extra cost. However, if you crave the latest and greatest with all those snazzy new features, then getting a new iPhone is the way to go, albeit a pricier choice. Now, for all of our Android users out there, checking your battery health is just as important. Download the AccuBattery app from the Google Play Store. AccuBattery lets you monitor battery usage, measure capacity, and get detailed information about your battery health. You can also go to Settings, tap Battery and Device Care. Then click Battery, and next to Power Saving, toggle it on so it turns blue, which can extend your battery life. Finally, the big question for Android users: replace a battery or splurge on a new phone? Replacing the battery can be a budget-friendly option, especially if your phone is still in good shape. It's definitely worth considering before rushing in to buy a new one. For all the latest tech tips, head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter.